Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 26, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. First grade. We are 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. And then 4 is here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. Fourth grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F and fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 3. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then seventh row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 9th row, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 1, 5, 2. That 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. 8th row, 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 4, 5, 9. The 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 7. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 1, 4. Fourth row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 6. Column F, we here 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then in third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Third grade, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come in the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.